So, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are
I'm okay. Do you want to give me a hug?
Yeah.
Okay. You're so sweet. Do you know that? What's your name?
My name is
Trisha
Trisha Subi.
Subi.
Yeah.
Okay. So, who are your parents? Is your mama?
My mother's called Amanda.
Marry a number. Oh my God. Do you know that you're lucky to have a mother like that? Do you know she's a very good person?
I
You know? How do you know?
she's good.
Oh, that is so sweet. Repeat that, please. Loud and clear.
She's good and she's a lovely mother.
She's a lovely mother. She gives you everything you ask for.
Yeah.
Wow. How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
7 years old.
Yeah.
Which class are you in?
I'm in P3.
Ah, P3.
Yes.
You're 7 years old.
Yes.
Did you skip a class?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, isn't it so hard for you in class?
No, it's easy.
It's easy. You love studying.
Yeah.
Which school do you go to?
I go to Green Hill Academy.
Oh, Green Hill Academy.
Yeah.
How is school?
School is good.
School is good. Ah, Banang, I'm having Trisha. Oh my God, you guys, let me hug you again. You're so sweet. So you have siblings? Do you have sisters? Do you
Yeah.
have who?
I have sisters. I have
Brothers?
one sister and I have two brothers which are twins.
Oh, you have brothers that are twins.
Yeah.
So you want to tell me your mother, Marian, she has twins
Yeah.
and then a young sister?
Yeah. The
What?
last one.
The last one is
called Elizabeth.
Elizabeth. Okay. So do you have like celebrity friends that you love?
The grown up?
Yeah, the grown-ups.
Yes.
Like
I have
who?
two. I have like you, like mommy she,
Ah.
like all of. I only like those ones. They are my best in my heart.
They're your best at heart. Thank you. We love you too, by the way. We really, really love you. Okay?
I love you too, guys. Thank you for everything you've done for me.
You're welcome. So do you know any song for Mommy or Mommy She? Because me, I'm not an artist. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't know why I don't know how to sing.
I'm going to only
Hmm.
mention one name. One song they sang
Mhm.
together. It's called
Okay. You know how to sing it?
Yeah, I know some parts.
Okay, let's try.
Okay, that's
Meanwhile, she sings like she doesn't know Luganda. Nae Trisha mga speed. Sijecho. Do you even understand what I said? No. Kids of these days. Anyway, what do you want to be in future?
I want to be a lawyer in future.
Why do you want to be a lawyer?
Because I want to help people in their bad situation.
Wow. So that means you want to give people justice.
Yeah.
Wow. You don't want to be like Mommy, like you want to be an artist, a celebrity?
No.
No. Why?
Because
Mm-hmm.
it's kind of hard.
It's kind of hard. I know. It's really hard. People abuse you. Oh my God.
I hate that.
You hate it. And indeed, because you know it's not good to abuse people, right? So it is bad when people abuse us when they don't even know who we are. So it's actually good you become a lawyer. When you become a lawyer, you will always help Mommy out.
And then
When someone abuses Mommy, you go for them.
And then after that, I'll be a judge.
Hey! You want to start with law, then you become a judge.
Yes.
Wow, you're so bright. What's your best subject?
Math.
Math. I hated math. Now let me tell you, I used to get like, I don't know, I don't want to say F9s, I don't want to say bad marks, but I used to hate it because I used to fail it. But I'm glad I'm next to someone that loves it. Maybe
I love
you will
math.
teach me
Yeah, I love math and then English.
English.
And then science and then SST.
Hmm, that's good. So what's your best hobby?
Swimming.
Swimming. You love
Yes.
swimming.
Yes.
Would you love to go in competitions? What's your wish for this birthday? Anything like flowers?
I wish for when I grow up, I'll be a lawyer.
A lawyer.
A really good lawyer.
A really good lawyer that people look out for, okay?
When I don't abuse anybody.
Wow, that's good. Any gift you would want mommy to give you?
No.
Ah, why? You have everything, but you don't want any gift from mommy?
I want
Like what?
anything.
Anything she can give you.
Yes.
Aww. Okay, it was nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you too.
So did you enjoy my interview?
Yeah.
Very well.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna post you on my YouTube. Is it okay?
It's okay.
It's okay. So you'll be there and you'll be looking at yourself. You'll go there and watch yourself and see what people say. You're very intelligent.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me another hug. See you soon. Enjoy your birthday. You said your birthday is on Sunday
Yes.
and you're gonna put up a big party.
Yeah.
You want me to bring you a gift?
If you want.
Oh! Of course I want.
Okay, you can.
Okay, thank you for allowing me.
Welcome.
Anyway, bye guys. We love you and happy birthday to her. She's Trisha, Amelia's daughter. She's such an intelligent, beautiful girl. I loved every bit of the interview that I had with her.